406.
Oh yeah.
Let's see who's gonna win their bet back first. Oh!
Yes, I got
Well,
it.
no, that was me. No. Now we'll do a video. We're gonna have to do an instant replay. Mini group pool with Handpay Jackpot Man. $200 each, $15 spin. Slot Queen landed a bonus. Do it, do it. Hey, we don't awe that. That's pretty good. Yeah.
Woo!
First bonus, and we only started with 400. There we go. Come on.
7,500.
Chip. Oh. It's because you awed it. Come on. Okay.
All right.
Don't awe it.
Oh, yeah,
Don't awe it.
Let's go. Chip.
Come on. Not bad.
So we need a chip.
We do need a chip.
You know what chip we need? We need the green chip.
We do. Hey, that's a good bonus. Come on. All right, last spin, $15. Oh, match it. Not fantastic for $15. However, we started with $456 bonus.
Not bad, not bad.
All right, your turn. Oh, back to back would be awesome.
One of my wins on Friday night was back-to-back Handpay.
Back to back Handpay. Ooh. Okay, we almost doubled.
Yeah, that's great. Do you want to go home now?
Oh,
Good job. Did it again.
all right, go ahead. Got to keep my eye on you. I know you'll raise it. Come on. Sure, since we're up, should we try some bigger ones?
No, we're trying.
Oh, I thought we agreed we liked dimes.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
What were we playing? 15?
Yeah. I said, do you want to try bigger bets? No?
Yeah.
See what?
I want to try that one.
$25 bets? All right.
That's the next one.
Jeez. I was hoping. Oh, whoops, I went
There's
twice.
something in between.
Well, I know. Okay, go ahead. I was hoping maybe. Oh, gosh, hurt me. Maybe.
Wait a second. You know what? I just thought of.
What?
This wasn't the machine I was playing. I was playing the other one.
You were playing the other one?
Yeah.
Well, do you want to move it to the other one? We'll
Yeah,
do.
kind of.
Okay.
I said on the same bank as Sahara.
I clearly asked you when we sat down. Let's play 15 down to 400.
Okay.
Go. This one has the bigger major anyways. Go ahead.
I'd rather hit a $5,000 major than not hit a $7,500 major.
Come on. Oh, okay, $10. I thought we were moving it at 4.
Yeah, we are. Taking number 4.
Okay. Yep. Oh, nice. That would be a nice start. There's a lot more glare over here, so we better get a win. Oh, oh, oh.
Oops.
Oh my gosh. Let's start. Let's
Hey,
work
I
our way
hit the
up.
wrong button.
No, you did not.
Okay.
Ah! Damn it.
Man,
That's a line. That's a weird line.
I don't know how it reaches.
I don't know how it reaches for. That's a weird line, but we'll take it.
Go.
blaming you for switching the machine.
If we win, I get all the money then.
No, go. You know you'll claim the fame if we win anyways. Oh, go on. Where's their chips on this one?
Oh yeah, line hit.
Mm-hmm. Come on. Oh, nothing but blockers. Come on. Oh, those were good chips. Alright, our bet back. Come on. Oh. We started with a great bonus over there. Where's our chips? Go.
There's nothing happening.
No.
I think we need to do this for the last one.
Okay.
I don't care about the service. You can hit them all.
No, I don't want to hit them all. This one, right? Or wait, no, you said 25. All right.
Already messed it up.
Sorry, do our first go, do 25. No, not even our bet back. We need the volcanoes. Or I'd rather the fireballs. Oh my gosh. $250 mini. Come on, come on.
Throwing no 100 chip balls, man. Get those out of here.
Well, we want any balls.
No.
Yes.
I want the big ones.
Oh. Come on. There we go. That's a good one.
$500.
That's $500. Oh my gosh. Okay, well now I should probably. You did that one. You did that one. All right, second half of the group pool with Handpay Jackpot Man. $200 each. We put in $200 each, right?
We did.
All right, hit it. His bonus. Got some big damn quarters on the board. Oh, come on. Yeah, that'd be freaking awesome. Oh my gosh, don't go ballless. Come on. Oh no. Shoo.
We don't want that one.
Well, yeah, we want any one. Oh my gosh, it's giving me anxiety. Come on. All right, 7 spots. We only need 1 fireball. Oh, we'll take those. Come on. Drop another biggie. Okay, save it. Get it. Ooh, you better just finish it up. Oh, come on, 1. All right, $25 spin. Oh my gosh. put in 400.
Yeah.
I think we should cash out a double, but not at this.
Yeah,
Let's go to dimes.
We should definitely play one to clear the screen.
One to clear the screen, okay.
Then we go to dimes.
Dimes.
And play $25.
Not $25. 15. To a double up. It,
Also to 25.
oh my gosh. Oh, right.
That's a nice ball.
Wait, that's a freaking handpay. Oh my gosh.
Damn.
Oh my gosh, those were. Phew. All right, start with 400. Oh, last spin bonus on the 15. Hey now, it's okay. Anything can happen.
Anything can happen.
This is a big bet. Oh, come on. Let's see if we can match your $800 bonus. Yeah, we're pretty far away. We do need a minor. That'll help. That'll help. We need a minor. Or a mini.
Having a major.
Or a ball. Or the major, that's right. Oh, jeez. Come on. All right. Not bad. So now the question is, that was our last spin. Because we had doubled up.
Yeah, we're gonna a whole video out of this one.
Well, what do you want to play to?
0.
No. How about you want to play to 1,000 now?
We're gonna play till 6,400.
No, 1,000, and then it'll be better than a double up.
No,
Or you want to take it?
Yeah.
No, we have 11:53. Are we staying on dimes?
No, we're going to 50 cents now.
No. Oh gosh. We're only gonna get a couple spins.
Keep going. One more.
All right, last spin. Okay, that's okay. Started with $400, cashing out 1,000. All right, moved our ticket over to Moonrace, $932. I won't even explain how we got the extra 40. We're gonna do $15
Right
bets.
there on the screen. How
Well,
we
you
got it.
I swear to goodness. Nice, go. Trying to work within the box here, it's hard. Oh, come on, Moons. Yeah, they're so smart. Do you like Moonrace out of all the lightning links?
It's not my favorite.
It's not my favorite either. Come on! Want to move it?
No.
Okay.
We're gonna give it another $100.
Okay. Those moon men are hard to come by. Oh. Come on, moons. Oh. No, that was brutal. It blocked everything. All right, moving it over. Well, let's do a $5. I snuck a slot queen bed in there on you. All right, back to our original, where we started. High stakes, $7,400 major, $715 bet. All right. That's a better start, I think, than Moonrace ever gave us.
First $40 bet.
Oh yeah, it's true.
At 1.5.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh. I hear happy music over there. Come on, drop us a chips.
Or some yellow suitcases.
Or some suitcases. Our Tiki's gonna be the big winner of this, huh? Of course, that was on quarters. Do you want to move it to quarters for the last 200?
Let's go.
Yeah? Oh! Now good for a bonus. Nice. That's yours, too. Handpay Jackpot Man bonus. We're going to have to review the tape. Because I don't remember what mine was. Yeah. You? 400? Okay, let's see whose is better. Was it? No. Is it the same bet? I don't think so. Okay, let's see. Let's go.
It's coming.
Okay. Oh boy.
Chip is coming.
Chip. Oh no. This is bad news bears right here. Come on. Oh, yeah. Almost everything. 2 spins to go. I don't think you're gonna get me. You have a long way to go to get me. Oh, you gotta do it right now. Gotta do it right now. Oh, you did not beat me, but 256 bucks. Puts us back at 853.
Let's go.
You want to move to quarters?
No.
No? Okay. Oh, jeez. Those are some nice chips. Sorry. Still just... Oh! At least our bet back. I know. 36. Come on, chips. You want to keep going or do you want to end even?
No, let's keep going.
All right. Oh, 25. 25. You know, we didn't discuss that. That wasn't a discussion. You want?
Sometimes things are not up for discussion.
Well,
2 hands go.
you can't push my buttons like that. Okay. Wait, are we? Oh, for the love, please, damn it. All right, do you want to move to quarters?
Yeah.
You can't. You can't. Okay. That's, wait, what is that bet? 12.50?
We got a bump it.
What? There's nothing wrong with 12.50? Oh, come on. Come on. Our bet back? Yeah. Let's go something. Nice. I knew you were gonna do that. Come on. Not even. Oh, what's our bet back? All right, $25 spins. Oh. Wow, what the heck was that? That was a lot of money. Shoo. All right, go. Come on, one bonus on. Come on. Alright, a little something, something. There we go.
Oh, we got this.
Come on.
One bonus.
Come on.
Oh.
Alright. We're getting down to the bare essentials here. Oh my gosh. Alright, last spin. No, I think we live to see another day. One more. Oh my gosh, come on. Oh, alright, cashing out 405 from High State. What bets do you want to do?
What's that?
What bets do you want to do? 15?
Whatever you want.
Let's try 15. Oh, look at that. That's a great one. First line. That's a good one. We'll start with that. Oh my God. Let's just kill me. That was like. Oh, come on. Sahara, one time. Oops, shit, sorry. Come on. Oh,
Executive
gosh.
decision time.
Okay. Really? How do you get to make these executive decisions? That was the worst timing ever for me. That was the worst timing ever. I could not have said that at a worse time. Land the ball. Oh, no way. Come on. Don't do it. Oh, shit. Yeah. Okay. It just got all bad for me.
Executive decisions have been made.
Yeah, it just got all bad for me. Oh, but I hit that. I did technically hit that spin.
Get out of here.
Go. Oh my gosh. $1,250 minor. Come on, baby. There. Hey, those are good. Huh? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Come on. All right, last spin. right. Now that's the way to end the group poll. 1550 on a 1250 bet. Whoop. What? All right, ready? Let's hit it. 1550. That's a great way to end our group poll. Here we go. Call will be intended. All right, group poll with Handpay Jackpot Man. With an executive decision. Executive decision win.